Here, the question is asking us to map the following coordinates of the coordinate plane to a quadratic. The first step to finding this quadratic is to insert it into a matrix. Now, in case you missed how to do this, if you turn to page 1053 in your textbook, you probably won't find a decent explanation for this, and you'll end up Googling it anyways, so why even bother? Next, we need to solve the exponents within the matrix to make it far less annoying to calculate later on. First of all, everyone knows that pi is equal to 3, so 3 squared gives you 9. Fairly simple. Now, finding the square root of 8 squared is also fairly easy. If you square a number within a square root, it becomes the number inside the square root, so therefore it gives us the number 8. However, unfortunately, I have forgotten my usual formula for the number 8, so I'll have to use a great approximation instead. The number 8 is fairly close to 987654321 divided by 123456789, so thankfully we can use this as our approximation instead. After that close call, all we need to do is find 69 squared, which is definitively equivalent to 420. Now, our matrix should look like this. The next step is to find the inverse of the matrix on the left, in order to multiply it by both sides of the equation to leave the variables a, b, and c on their own side of the equal sign. This is just as easy as all the previous steps. All you need to do is flip the image horizontally and then vertically, and thus we will have our inverted matrix. Pressing onwards, we will now multiply the inverse matrix by the matrix on the right side of the equation. We covered this in class roughly 3 years ago, so this topic should still be fresh on your mind, and therefore will need no further explanation since it's so blatantly simple that it would be an insult to your intelligence if I were to describe the process of solving. If you do the mental math, your final formula should look something like this. Now, all we need to do is simply plug this into a standard form of the quadratic equation. I'll leave this as an exercise to the viewer. Thank you for watching this simple tutorial on... What was this about? Yeah. Adding fractions with different denominators. If you need any help or have any questions, you can ask them in the comment section below, and I'll be sure not to answer them. Until next time, bye.